Hello everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I'm here with the December unboxing of the Flavor of the Month card kit. I'm so excited to share this with you. Scrapping for Less has recently changed over to a box instead of using bags to ship the kits, and so I wanted to show you the new packaging. It's absolutely adorable. I haven't even seen what's in the kit yet. I wanted to leave it just how I got it so you could see how it comes now. So they have some of this crinkled paper in the Scrapping for Less colors, and then I believe this is probably the banana split level. So you get all of your different collections here. So I will open these all up and show you what's in them. Here's a sneak peek. The stamp sets are adorable. Oh my goodness, so cute. And then the cardstock is on the bottom and it is in perfect condition. So great to have the card kit coming in a box now. So while I have the cardstock in my hand, let's start with that. I do have my sheets downloaded, so this is the contents of the kit. I'll keep this to the side so I can tell you what's in it. And then here are the December sketches that you can play along with and that will be inspiring me this month. So for the cardstock, there is some bubble gum, some grapesicle, grape jelly. This is snow cones. These are MFT cardstocks. And there is, let me see here, pure white. This really pretty gray, which is called Packing Chip Craft. And then you get every month 2 pieces of 110-pound Neenah white cardstock. So there is the cardstock for the month. Let's jump into the collections. For collection number 1, we have this adorable stamp set by Sunny Studio. This is called Bear Hugs. So sweet. I love this little bear with his smile. And the sentiment is sending big bear hugs. So that's absolutely adorable. The paper in collection number 1 is Winter Skies by Scrapping for Less. I love the colors, the blue, the purple, and the white, and then with the contrast of the black is stunning. The back are just solid colors, so you get the purple, a white. Oh, these are so pretty. The blue, I love this one. And a darker blue. The black is absolutely gorgeous. Love it. A different purple color. This is really pretty with another blue color and a cat hair on the back of that one. You also receive 2 6x6 pieces of paper from Alexandra Ranke. These are really pretty. I love the stars and the water color effect. So those come in collection number 1. And some polar bear decoupage paper by Craft Consortium. Oh, this is neat. I've never played with decoupage paper. So you get 2 sheets of the polar bear decoupage. So cute. And finally, some ribbon, purple organza ribbon, and this stunning sequin pack by Buttons Galore. It's absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to make a shaker card with that one. So there's collection number 1. Collection number 2 has this adorable stamp by Stamping Bella called Penguin with a Mug. Oh my goodness, so cute. Has little marshmallows in it, and the sentiment celebrate the season. This is a rubber stamp. I love Stamping Bella stamps. So adorable. The paper again is by Scrapping for Less. This is Chill. It's beautiful gray and white. So I think these are the B-sides. So there's this one with the gray and white polka dots. This beautiful pattern. So pretty. Oh, this reminds me of a sweater. Love that. Really pretty. So pretty. I love this kit. I think you guys are going to love it too. The gorgeous snowflakes in the gray and white. A gray solid with some more snowflakes. This time with a gray background and the white snowflakes. And then this pattern paper, which is absolutely gorgeous as well. In this collection, there's also a cocoa mug shaker window and the card that goes with it, and you get an extra envelope to fit this card. In every collection you do get an envelope, so this just fits right inside, and you can make a shaker card with that. Of course, you also get some sequins, again by Buttons Galore. These are really pretty. They have hearts in them. These iridescent cup sequins with the hearts. So pretty. So there's collection number 2. Collection number 3 is equally adorable. This is a Stamping for Less exclusive stamp by Pink and Main. This one is called Winter Pals. Oh my goodness, look at how cute these little characters are. I love it. The little fish jumping out of the water. Oh my goodness, that's going to be so much fun. The paper is also from Pink and Main. This is from their Frosty collection. So you get a nice plaid. Now remember that the contents of the kits, well, each of the collections may vary because they do split up the paper pads and different ephemera and those such things. So yours might be a little bit different, but it will be the same paper pad that it comes from. So there's the scalloped one, and then the circles with the gray, blue polka dots with the plaid paper. It's really pretty stripes with the chevron, snowflakes. Oh, I love that plaid. I love plaid in general. And then this kind of argyle reminds me of that type of pattern anyways, in the purple with the polka dots. In this collection, you'll also get a package of blue rhinestones. These are by Kaisercraft. You will get a snowflake die. How fun is that? So your size may vary from this one, but you will get one in this collection. And also another sequin pack by Buttons Galore. So great value this month with this kit. I absolutely love it. So there's collection number 3. We'll move on to collection number 4. For collection number 4, they have included the Arctic Animals stamp set by Little Darling Rubber Stamps. I'm not sure if this is an exclusive or not, but it's absolutely adorable with the little character critters and the sentiment, hope your day is so much fun and think like an owl and look like a fox. Oh my goodness, that's so sweet. The paper is Arctic Animals by LDRS as well. This is single-sided paper. It's absolutely stunning with the blues and the pink. Gorgeous. I am in love with this kit. The plaid, I think this one is going to sell out super fast. This really pretty bubble-like one. The stripes here. Oh wow, is that ever sweet? The little owls and then the feathers. So pretty. Included is a snowflake garland. This is by Doris. And then you'll get a few snowflake ephemera here. These are by Jolie. Aren't those adorable? And of course, last but not least is a sequin pack. These are by Scrapping for Less. So pretty, goes perfectly with the paper. So that's everything you'll get if you subscribe to the Double Dip Sunday level. Now let's see what's in the banana split level. So here are the contents of the banana split level that I received. So you will get a glitter pen, and these will come in various colors. This is a Martha Stewart. Mine is silver. How fun. The stamp set is by Scrapping for Less. This is called Arctic sentiments. So you get the little moose and the little seal and the sentiments, "You're so cool," "Missing you is just unbearable," "Have a snuggly day," "No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted." Oh, I love that. And then "Smile." So that's really adorable. You'll get a penguin die by Yvonne Creations. Oh my goodness. That is just too cute. And then I received a Christmas tree stencil by Kaiser Craft, or winter tree, I guess you could use it. Let's take that out and look at it. That's really pretty, and it has the kind of stars or snowflakes that you can use. So there's the banana split level. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the contents of the kit this month. I am ecstatic to dive in and make some cards, so stay tuned for some card creations using the December Flavor of the Month card kit. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. Bye.